everyone, Steve here with Ziggy's Lawn and Landscape. Today is March 28th, I think.
Yeah.
I have no idea. The whole month of March flew by. We're almost to April. We knocked out 9 cleanups yesterday. We did 5 last week. So we're moving right along. Today we're really going to focus on showing you, maybe do some slow-mo action on the video here of the Scag, how it picks up all the acorns and the rocks and the pebbles and the sticks when you're doing spring cleanups. Like we've mentioned before, we used to have to backpack blow all this out physically before stand-on blowers were a thing, and this Scag is just a game changer. Should have took a lot of your guys' advice. When I'm wrong, I know I'm wrong, and I'll admit it. We should have took your advice a few years ago when everyone said to buy the Scag instead of the Hurricane. We already had the Hurricane and it was paid off, so that's one of the reasons why we rolled with it. But this Scag is probably my favorite piece of equipment we have, and I don't know what we would do without it. And if we had the Hurricane, we would have probably only got 6 houses done yesterday. It's that much of a game changer. Some of you guys are hesitant to buy it because you don't think it's a 4-season machine. I guess it depends on your location and everything, but we're going to use it for lawn maintenance, for blowing off the driveways, definitely for fall cleanups and spring cleanups. So you can even use it in snow if it's like an inch of snow, but I guess it's a 3-season machine for us. And Scag, if you're watching this, we really support this piece of equipment, and the rest of your equipment we'll be getting into hopefully at some point this year. But you got to fix that stupid window motor for the shoot turn thing.
Yeah.
And Hurricane, if you're watching this, we will buy another Hurricane at some point if you guys fix the parking brake. The electric chutes are no big deal, but like the hydros were a weak point and the engine was a big pain in the butt. So if you guys are watching this, please fix that and we might buy another one. So come along for the ride today. We got probably another 6 to 8 cleanups, a couple bigger ones, so we'll put the Scag to the test. We'll show you exactly what else it can do.
All right, quick time check, 9:30. We already got 3 done. We've been zooming already. It's starting to rain a little bit. Let me show you guys out here what we got. This one house, we'll be able to show you guys really what the Scag can do, because the first few houses was mostly backpack blowing. They're not that big, but this one's a little bit bigger. So we're gonna be able to use the Scag. Let me show you on this area out front. So they have this fenced in property in the back. The back is gonna get dethatched with the walker. Some pretty nice grass back there. And the front is this wide open area of grass. So the Scag can just go back and forth. We can kick it out with the backpack blowers, but we'll be able to get some really good shots on stuff like this. You can see all these sticks over here. There's no need to rake any of this crap. See all this? The Scag will get everything because the chute points right down into the ground at an angle and it kicks it all up. But yeah, we got a few trees up in the area, it looks like, that dropped a few sticks. The garden beds probably have a little bit, but the main grass is probably just going to be just debris and grass and just dead grass and stuff, so we'll kick that out. But yeah, let's get going. We're going to wrap up this inside of the fence first, and then we will I'll show you guys what this machine is capable of. doing half of it with the blower because this other half is going to just get done with the walker. There's really nothing other than dethatching it, and there's a few leaves, but this side had the sticks. So we got the walker, we're going to run it around, and then the back will be done. The Scag is because it gets down everything. I mean, you can point the chute right where you want it. But yeah, let's wrap this up. Let's go out into the front when we're done. Got a few bigger branches right here. There's one. All these. This is mostly from this couple bigger trees right here. It will blow these, but we got a garden bed in our way, so it's easier just to pick a few of the big ones up. obviously it's going to blow the mulch everywhere. So we got to use the backpack blower, which is what I'm going to do right now. So we already got all the debris blown out. This house has some pretty nice grass. We're gonna just stripe it real quick. There wasn't too much here. There was just a little bit of leaves left over, but there's no trees really. Just all dead grass. But yeah, we'll just stripe this up. This lawn stripes beautifully in the cutting season. If you guys have been watching the channel, this is the 2017 Walker that we had the engine out of. There it is, working hard. Original engine, and it's working hard. It's going to work hard probably every day almost come cutting season. But it is the backup. The main mower is the 2022 technically, I guess. It's 2022 last year. That one looks a lot nicer, but they do the same thing. This one was new at some point. Does a good job though.
Say I have no idea how people don't run a walker mower.
Yeah.
Specifically here in North Jersey, it's like we see a lot of comments that the walkers are very complicated, and they are until you figure them out. All the maintenance and the repairs that are needed. But if you keep up with your maintenance and like your tune-ups and stuff, you'll be in really good shape. So I'm just trying to envision doing this cleanup here without a walker.
Yeah.
Thatching the front and then also bagging the grass. Like you could use the Toro multi-force with the catcher on the attachment on the side. The dethatcher works perfect for that. The walker has more suction power than the Toro coming up the side. And especially a sit-down regular zero turn with the Ultra Vac. In my opinion, the walker it's just quicker to get it through the deck right up the fan and into another blower fan into the thing, the hopper, than to go around the thing and up the tube around into the back bags. So we're just trying to envision, if we didn't have a mower that caught the grass for all these cleanups that we're doing, yeah, the blowers blow it great into the woods and everything, but in terms of having to cut it and pick up the leaves, or even if it's a simple kick-out job, like say that mulch bed with the rocks, that we had to kick the leaves out, and all we had to do was suck the leaves up. We wouldn't want to blow them all down in the woods, and we could just take 2 passes with the walker mower and suck them up. Yeah. But if you're down in Texas or Florida or somewhere else in the country, yeah, you don't need this. But like up here, specifically in North Jersey, this is a must. Especially in my opinion. I don't know if Jim probably agrees with me. We're just running, we're zipping through these cleanups like they're nothing.
Yeah.
That's my thought on it. I'm gonna get the big blower and blow the grass down and head out.
All right. Well, we did a few more.
Yep. We wrapped it up. We got another 7.5, 8-hour day in. We did 20 spring cleanups in 3 days, which is pretty good, we think. In this town that we've been working in, we haven't seen one other landscaping company out doing anything. You go a little bit more south where we actually live, 15 minutes south or so, there's some landscapers popping up here and there, but it's just crazy. We're the only ones out here and it's like 60 degrees. More money for us, more customers for us, I guess. Nothing broke today, right?
Nothing
broke, everything went well. It was raining all day, which really it wasn't pouring, it was spitting, but it doesn't really matter because we have that big orange machine called the Scag Windstorm that blows all the stuff into the woods for us.
Yeah.
But it's a good solid day. When we all work together as a team, everyone knows where they kind of have to be. They get the feel for, like, one person's on the walker, one person's kicking out the backpack blowers, and then one guy will be blowing with the big blower. Teamwork makes the dream work. So we're moving along really good here. I don't know, we're gonna go home and work on our white truck. Got it running. We're gonna put a couple more parts on it and finalize that thing. Just because we're going home doesn't mean we're done for the day. We still have to send out invoices, look at estimates, quote jobs out. Basically, it's sun up to sundown plus a couple hours is this business. So it's a good thing. It's a really good thing to be busy. We're really looking forward to this year. I don't know, you got anything to say?
Yeah, and I get to go home and I got to edit the video tonight.
Yeah,
so I don't quit until like 10 p.m.
Yeah, we just keep it going. We're on YouTube, like we said. We're doing this not for the money. We're doing this to help everyone else out. Of course, there comes a time when we want to make some money off of this. We have made a couple bucks, nothing crazy, but we have a lot of time editing and filming and setting up the camera and organizing our day based upon YouTube. So if you guys could hit that subscribe button, it would mean the world to us. And once again, we're nearing the 3,000 subscriber mark, which we didn't think would happen this quickly, but here it comes, and we're going to be doing a live stream, I don't know, right around when we're at 3,000, I guess. So give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, and throw a comment down too, whatever you guys are doing, where you starting, where you guys located. But for that, we'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.
All right.